Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. Tonight, I have one employee and a friend of mine who has been working under with me since November 6, 2006. So he is now 17 years in the service. He's been very loyal to me, loyal to his co-employees, loyal to the company as well. He is now celebrating his birthday today. So happy birthday to you, Mark. I hope that God will continue to bless you more, to give you wisdom and strength, to touch your heart, to enlighten to your mind, to understand what is life is all about. So continue to be a good person and a good friend to everyone. Happy birthday once again. God bless you always. This is Alexi, and thank you to all my followers and my subscribers. I am about to signing off. God bless everyone.